phone thing.
Awesome.
But in order to get to the tub, we gotta go through the tunnel. We gotta go through the tunnel to get to the tub. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh.
Whoa, you're gonna hit him, babe.
Xander, you gotta go through the tunnel.
He's like, I'm not going through there.
Oh crap, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, pull the tunnel.
Not at all. This
Xander,
is
help me.
too much of a golden video opportunity for me to be helping you right now.
Xander, help mommy. Xander.
Hey Xander, help mommy out.
I can't get out.
Help mama. What did I say to do when she goes, help mama? What do we do? Go just jump.
Your turn. Xander's turn.
I love you.
Come on, you gotta go through the tunnel to go to the
Go through the
bathroom.
tunnel.